No team, certainly not a good team, likes to taste defeat. Both sides will be looking to get the upper hand. Winning's a good habit.
This is the time to really button down and hone in on these players and start to build some partnerships out there.
Messi. Goal!
Well, this team soaks up pressure well, and then when they release this fella, he is off like a rocket. What a great finish that is.
Underway once more. Scores 1-0. Rivaste Coloma. And a nice ball. Everybody back helping. Free kick here. Had to take it quickly, but missed the target. Oscar Diaz. The defender gets a foot in. He goes into every challenge expecting to win it. Oh, good goal! Smacked into the top corner.
Clivey never had anything else in his mind. As soon as he picked that ball up and ran at the defenders, you just knew he was going to have a go himself, and he's finished it beautifully.